Hello, it's Dr. Elizabeth Alter. So lately there's been a lot of discussion about the lymphatic system. Are you familiar with this very important system in your body? Well, lymphatics are often ignored because mostly what's looked at in circulation are the veins and the arteries. But today I'm going to explain to you the importance of the lymph. So it has three main functions, and the first is to help remove waste and toxins from our body. Okay. And secondly, it aids in the transportation of white blood cells. Okay, so those are the ones that defend us, that fight infection. And the third is that it plays a crucial role in the absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. So keeping those three things in mind, to me, the most important one of those three, they're all important, but is the removal of waste and toxins. And this is why exercise is so important. Unfortunately, as Americans, we tend to be sitting all day in front of a computer usually, and this does not aid in the movement of the lymph. So the way the lymph works is it depends on us moving, so activity. And it's not just a stroll down the sidewalk. It has to be somewhat rigorous. And now the recommendation is about 150 minutes a week of moderate to intense exercise, not just for waste removal. It's what waste removal leads to, which is potentially less cancer. Remember, cancer is usually provoked because the system is overwhelmed with toxins, and so hence your immune system does not work as well. There's other factors at play, obviously, but this is why removal of toxins and waste is so important, which is why most of my videos have to do with detoxing. And so in terms of your lymph, it's important to move. So whether it's setting a timer on your phone, just make sure that after 2 hours of, if you've been sitting doing a task, that you stand up, go run up and down stairwells, a couple times, maybe 3-4 flights. You can do jumping jacks if your body is okay with that. It depends on the patient's knees and ankles, and or knee lifts. I feel like knee lifts is something that patients can do, or just standing in place and just bouncing your body. You don't have to necessarily jump, but just the act of bouncing your body helps move the lymph. So don't forget your lymphatic system. It is so important. And again, try moving every 2 hours, and I hope you have a healthy day. Thank you.